Yo, what's up? And today we are going to be playing a game called DFly.io. I actually played this in a video of last year, so it's been a long time. So let's play. You guys, if you guys want to know what this game is about, go and check out my other video, which doesn't really have a title. Yeah, okay, so let's play. Yeah, so I know how to play, and I'll be right back. As you can see, you cannot. I don't have face cam. That's I'm a little helicopter, and I. How do? Alright. Yeah, I completely forgot how to play this game. I love how it says existing dots. Making the most beautiful thing. My cat will not leave me. Somebody is messing with my base and I don't like it. Oh, goodness gracious. I just died. Well, that's fantastic. Fantastic. Just the most beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. Okay. I'm still green. Okay, so we're just... May I move? Yeah, okay. It's not letting me move. So apparently the way to game this game is to just do this. Seems pretty boring, but I'm so mad. People keep destroying my base. I don't know why. I'm just trying to play DFly.io, okay? And you are so mean. I just want to play. Kill person. Very, very mean. I don't like them. Let's just play this game. I'm so sad. So you gotta start out small. If someone doesn't come and try and freaking destroy your base, yeah, you get points. So the real way to play the game is... This is the secret to Hexile.io. I mean DFly. I don't know why I'm getting confused with probably an IO game that does not exist. Yeah, this is just the life of Hexile.io. DFly.io. It's pretty good. You know, this is how you play. I'm guiding you through a game. Now you just gotta be good. And I kind of feel like I'm being trained. I'm making the weirdest but best thing ever. Very weird, just like I said it would be. I'm actually not lying. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm alive. Very rare. So let's build a wall. Like, seriously, let's build a wall. Yeah, I would like to be free. Freedom. yeah. So certain points, you just gotta sometimes, when it starts getting a little thin, you gotta do what you gotta do. See, people can't attack your base. I killed someone. So glorious. So very glorious. I feel like I'm a psychopath. I'm so mad. I'm gonna spectate. It's like I can't respond. What is happening? Can I skip the ad? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Why can't I move? I'm using WSA and D. I'm using W, X, and D! Why aren't I moving? I feel like I'm not. I think I'm just gonna have to break myself through. I can't. Oh. I can't escape. Well, that's nice. Very nice that I can escape. Yes. So I have 4 points. Very good. I would say so myself. Down, 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 D. I mean space. A. Get it? Like A. What happened? Yeah, you probably didn't understand a thing I said. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to wrap this up right now, and I'm really sorry, but it's late at night, and so I'm gonna have to leave you guys soon. So, goodbye!